with Queen Ifrika. Here we are going with Queen Ifrika now. She's strong, you know. I want to be strong female warrior them, you know. But Queen Ifrika is not unlawful. It's not against the rules to get help. Like get professional help. Like go do a therapy session and get to let out everything. What you do one night on social media is great in your recovery. Me appreciate what you do and you call name. You know, do like major hype where talk about the situation, but still not tell we who abuse him or who do whatever them do to him. So him still protect the entity where hurt him. I can't in sympathy with people like that. That's why I'm not deal with him. Black him and follow him, I'm not watching video them again, I have nothing to do with him. What Queen Ifrika do one night is amazing. What she did one night is the first stage of recovery. Yeah? To publicly come out, mention her father's name too, and speak of the atrocities when bring upon her. That's the first stage of recovery. I appreciate her strength and I appreciate her bravery to come out and call name. You can't tell me about abuse and dramatics and want me sympathy. But in their same plight for sympathy, you protect who do them things that here. That means you love it, you want more. Obviously, Queen Ifrika is not with it. And she not plan to deal with it, and she not plan to make him dead. And not get the pressure when I'm supposed to get for what him do. Yeah, and our stepfather too. Remember I do well interview me see so. I bits and pieces, me see, but I'm saying me definitely respect her. You know what I mean? Me respect her for what she say, and people know you can understand why me say me rather black her than argue with her. Because when you know somebody not in the right state of mind, how can you argue with them or fight with them or me know if Queen Ifrika is in her right state of mind and depend on her right frequency and her chakras them line the right way. She would have never a type and I say what she say and I try to start with me, she wouldn't do that. At home she looking up, a refuge she look, but she just do it in a way like, you know, and the only way she know how. You see me? That's why me now did have to be the better person and the bigger person and the smarter person to not stoop to the level where she'd go with it because me know of her mental situation. She now walk and eat out a rubbish pan, but she a fight and a battle with all of these things. And then our rock, our place of refuge, which is Tony Rebel, gone left her too. So when there's nowhere, no sanctuary, no nothing, what you think she gonna do? What you think it gonna do? Remember, in a Tony Rebel, she would go lean pan and cry pan, you know, and him gone. So she in this big wilderness by herself, as strong as she be, she gonna break. Majestic one say when people need help, you don't block them. social media is not always help. Me and her arguing on social media is not help. So you're stupid to even say that. Sure, say you are one of the dunce people them. The only way to make me and her still remain friends is to not walk down the road with her. How it would that look now? Me no say your hand broke, but more me fight a boxing match. Oh, me want me ever fight a world championship boxing match when your hand broke. And my two and them strong I'm a well trained. That wouldn't make no sense. So I could not conversate, join live with Queen Ifrika, have a debate, have a conversation when I know she's wounded. What kind of evil person would I be? And at that show, they say someone on the level of intelligence is under the garbage bin. Someone on the level of intelligence is under the garbage bin. And every back of people fight on social media. When me know the magnitude of what I go on with Queen Ifrika, and to be honest, I never know about her father thing. I know about other things. Me and her reason, and me and her talk for hours. And I realize she not in her right frame of mind. Especially when it touch certain topic. You understand? Me have to assess and say, you know, say, woman in her real self. Because remember, me talk a years me and Queen Ifrika link. And reason and everything. So I know that she's not in her right frame of mind. Wait, let me okay, hold on. Let me look for your page and block it. Hold on. So, more I say this now to Queen Ifrika kids, our family, our management team, whosoever is around. I say this to Tony Rebel too. Tony Rebel, listen to me. Me enough of my ex them still communicate. See? Me and girl we left on bad terms, end up still communicate. Because the impact when I have upon them as a person, where them can always talk to, make me and them have to always still have conversations. The weirdest thing is, you have girl when me and them break up, where them there with them new man now, and when them have problems and me, them call and ask me honest opinion. I mean, I have to give them an honest opinion without any ill feelings or nothing towards the dude or towards the female. I have to just do it respectfully as an honest person with a high IQ of reasoning. And them relationship become better based on what me tell her and how them operate after that. So you have to understand, say, Tony Rebel, on a big man level, you might have to be the one to bring back Ifrika to 100% where she wanna be. You know, if you dey back with her, you know, because whatever the reason is, make on a split, me don't know. But you have to understand that she not having a father, then having a father who molest her, then having a stepfather who molest her, you were her rock. You were her sanctuary. Because even before she give you front, you and her link, she see you as that type of person. You understand? Even if him create all the trauma, him are the person we have to go frazzle it out. Because she see him as our rock and our place, as our partner, as our confidant, as somebody where she needs to go vent and tell everything. So probably him have to go just be the cushion the fear and give her back her sanity. Because we can't afford to lose Ifrika. You know? We really cannot afford for Queen Ifrika eat out a rubbish pan and not have it together at all. We need Queen Ifrika in the game. For the moral standards of our culture, for the trajectory of true values as a female, we need Queen Ifrika. Need. We're not about wanting her. Need Queen Ifrika. Because Tanya Steven them fail already. Diana King them fail already. 90%, 99% of the new female artists them fail already. Them are lesbian, them believe in a dirty lifestyle. Them are lead the whole future generation in the rubbish pan. We need Queen Ifrika. So Tony Rebel, I'm saying this to you. If you really and truly love Jamaican culture, no matter how your ego eye, no matter how hungry you are, no matter how resistant you are, no matter how you don't want to see her, you have to help her. You have to help her. You have to. You have to. You have to. It don't make sense when I attack Queen Ifrika because she black. But she will see it. Them will repost it. I'm them two female something the way I go on right now, Ifrika and Medic, it have an effect on me. It does. And I'm just look on the clock and see 444. That means the angelic energy them I tell me say I do the right thing. Very good. I hope Medic come home. And I hope Queen Ifrika come home. So, Mr. Derrick Morgan, I Googled your age last night. You're 83 now. You're one of the founding fathers in the music. Big man thing, you're an embarrassment to humanity. You're one of the most disgusting human beings. I don't hear your side of the story yet. And usually I don't do this. Usually me wait to hear your side of the story. But I kind of believe Ifrika, you know. I kind of believe everything what she has done, you know. And how can you be a missing father? And when you reappear in the girl life, you come do her this, rude boy? Deeper than by badges give thanks. Like how can first she go through trauma because she don't have a father? And then the father appear and come scare her for life? Make us say some things today. And if you are not at a high level of overstanding, you will not comprehend nothing what I say. Nudge, big up yourself. Repeat myself. I am going to say some things now. Old G Bobby buy some badges, give thanks. I am going to say some things now. If you are not at a high level You know, say, no help a good driver in the America. I mean, I want them lick me car, you know. You don't want to move my car from myself. If you are not Queen Alana by some badges, give thanks. If you are not have a higher level of overstanding and thinking, you're not going to overstand this. All right. There's never only good thoughts in your head. Listen to what I'm saying. If you're thinking, if you are thinking about that buckle here, you are thinking something to drink it, and for wait up that somebody there with it. Your thoughts them going a millisecond. See? When you think about killing somebody, you're thinking about not killing the person at the same time. So good thoughts work with bad thoughts. So we can't say it's impossible for a man think to do certain things. Because all of us have thought about doing something horrible before. The test and the true test is the willpower and the composure to not do it. Everyone who is on live here have somebody who thinks they would have killed already. Like you just feel like you want to just use your knife and run through them 100 million times. Everyone of we. Everyone of we have thoughts of killing somebody already. Everyone of we have thoughts of poisoning somebody already. Everyone of we see somebody where we're not supposed to think about in a sexual way and think about it already. You have some woman pan your son, we have them big data and them big data man heart, and them it cross them mind say them data man heart, and the boy look good and rare and them think it. But them have the composure as a mother not to stoop to that level. And you have some mother will give in to them urge and make them data man sex them. Likewise with daughters and their mothers, man. Same like you have some man, see them niece, see them sister, see them auntie. You're not blind. Your sister, your auntie thicker, your sister thicker. You know what I mean? You have to see it and like you cannot see it. Me have nieces and me have cousins and me have sister and some big woman where raise me and them look good. And me a big man now and them still look good. And them could have take some fuck. But me not gonna ever out of my place for even ask them for fuck or try look them. So now, me go get back to the reality. Derrick Morgan, superstar, big artist, absent father. You return in your daughter life when she there teenage years. Here why me know say, if what Queen Ifrika is saying is true, you're a sick person. I am not going to sit here. You have some woman where dress a certain way. We're born with assets where you obviously can't see past it. So you have to have stronger composure with them. Queen Ifrika and a woman with big old body and big old breasts and dressed naked and all of them something there. So, what could have happened to you so as a big superstar? If you see a little daughter and then you go tell her, say, your woman not give you the front, go buy crutches, bumper what? Let me calm down. Go and buy front. Go buy some pum pum. Back road open from before me born. Yeah, artists. You can get front my youth. People remember them time that him a top artist, you know. Him have money. Go buy some pussy. Oh, you have to do that. Oh, you have to do that, my youth. Oh, you have to do that. Go spend your money, my youth. First thing, if you see certain feeling that take you when you're supposed to come out of house. Touch the road. Go and party. Go and go club, my youth. Go and run bar. Look the bartender. That's a piece of money per night. Then the New Kingston good. Because New Kingston not good again. They can't go up there to go buy nothing name sex. Go to New Kingston them time they go buy a girl. No killer filler what me I say. Him fi buy it if you can't bother with the talking. If the urge. If the urge, Zine, fi the sex is so immediate. You know not time to look nobody and call and a girl go say she not in the mood that no. You go and say, hey, front more for buy. How much you have sell for? See your money, skin out your wall. Poop, come, gone about urge gone. How can you do that? Oh. I'm going to be totally honest with you now. And I first may say them something. No, I think me say it already one time, but me not really dwell upon them something. Me get 3 sons and me get a daughter. My son them, remember 2 of my son them, I never know say my youth them from them inception, right? So I never have no interaction with them from them little. Then you have Oshan now, where him was my first son, where interaction and everything. I watch him born, everything. See? When I watch Oshan born, I have a different level of respect for women in general. See? Because seeing it is different from your woman that come home from hospital with the baby. Remember that I love the unmatching, much less if you see the birth. See? Me done never bathe my son and them thing. But my daughter, I was way more stern of not bathing my daughter. Me not angle my daughter private area